Smackings and whackings for my favorite visitors. Well, blabbers, feast your eyes upon this work of art. What are you laughing at?
Well, it does remind me of you. But why does it only have one leg? Are those his arms or a droopy mustache?
I ran out of black paint. Arms! Arms! Blast you whippersnapper! My art is on fire. Anyways, devotion 50. In 1 Samuel 3, 4-8, God began to speak to young Samuel in the tabernacle by night. Each time he spoke, calling his name, Samuel assumed it was Eli calling him. The first 2 times that it happened, Eli sent him back to bed saying, I didn't call you. But the 3rd time it happened, it dawned on Eli that God was speaking to Samuel. At that point, he gave Samuel this good instruction. 1 Samuel 3:9. Therefore Eli said unto Samuel, Go, lie down, and it shall be, if he call thee, that thou shalt say, Speak, Lord, for thy servant heareth. So Samuel went and laid down in his place. Speak, Lord, for thy servant heareth. Eli was right. Those were the proper words for Samuel to say. The problem was, he did not heed his own advice. God had spoken to Eli about the wickedness of his sons, and Eli had not responded as he should. Eli was giving Samuel all the right counsel with his mouth and ignoring that own counsel in his own life. That resulted in the destruction of him and his entire family. Good advice is, well, good. Giving good advice is not the problem. Giving good advice that we ourselves do not follow is the problem. Do tell others from Scripture the right way to go, the right things to do. But do remember that the far more important thing is actually doing right yourself. Advice is cheap. Action is priceless.
An excellent lesson, Fire Marshal Creo. That lesson had some legs on it.
Hardy, har, 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 har. Just you wait, blabbers. Tomorrow, my art is going to knock your socks off.
I can't wait. Have a blessed day, folks.